In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to parse hanging rows in Invoices using PDF.co document parser. We prepared a sample invoice here with a hanging row to be used for this tutorial. To start, you need to log into your PDF.co account. On your dashboard, click the Document Parser menu at the top of the page. On the Document Parser page, click the New Template. Then, load the source file that you're going to use for creating your template. To get the line items, use a table field based on text search object. Set the properties of your object to this expressions. Once you're done setting up the object, you may now run the template. Here's the output of hanging rows that we successfully parsed data. Now that the template is done, you may now save it. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.